back to pig and beef. Today we have some picanha that we're going to cook up. The first thing that we are going to do is we're going to cut it into 3 smaller pieces and cut against the grain. Picanha is a popular item at Brazilian steakhouses. It's also referred to as sirloin cap or rump cap. Your mileage may vary on its availability depending on where you live, but it's a flavorful cut of beef that you'll definitely want to try out if you have the chance. What we're doing is folding up the meat and putting a spit through them like this so that we can cook them rotisserie style on our Arteflame Grill. In terms of seasoning the picanha, we're keeping it super simple. We're using kosher salt and lots of it. The main thing with picanha is making sure that you focus on the beef's flavor, and kosher salt is perfect at drawing the flavor out. The meat can handle plenty of salt. We're excited to use our Flambadou for the first time, which we just had shipped from France. If you're unfamiliar with the Flambadou, it's a tool that we're going to use to baste the picanha with fat, but more on that later. We mentioned the Flambadou a minute ago. We're actually going to take the fat cap from the smaller piece so that we can melt down the fat in the Flambadou and baste the picanha with the melted fat. We've got some post oak burning on our Arteflame Grill, and we're going to get the spit set so that we can cook it rotisserie style. If you're interested in getting a Flambadou, look for it on eBay. They don't cost much, but heads up though, you'll be paying for shipping from France. We're going to put it deep in the coals and let it warm up. Once it gets warmer, you're going to want to handle it with some heat-resistant gloves. Once it starts to get white hot, it's ready to have some fat melted in it. Basting the picanha in its own fat further enhances the beef flavor. Not gonna lie either, it's pretty fun to do. Ultimately, you have the choice of checking the temperature and cooking it to your liking, but we're just going to keep an eye on it until the fat cap starts to turn golden brown and has a good crisp. That way we can cut into it, and if it needs more time, we can throw it back on the grill. This is looking pretty good, so we're going to pull it off here in just a second. As you can see while we're cutting into the picanha that this thing is juicy. We're going to enjoy every bite. We've also prepared some chimichurri sauce, and we'll post some details for that in the video details below. Thanks for watching this video, and be sure to check out our other content as well. If you like what you see, leave us a comment and hit the subscribe button.